Hey!
Show us your hands.
Walk out to me. Your hands up.
Come out here.
Forward, hands up in the air. Walk out to me. Nice and slow. Walk out to me.
Right here.
Go ahead, come on, bro.
Walk out to me.
Come on, bud.
Step out to us.
Josh, come
Luke.
out to me, buddy. Let's talk about what's going on.
Luke, come outside with us. We'll figure everything out.
Luke, come on out to me.
Someone go left. Go left.
Can you come out to us, man? Come talk to us. What's going on today? Slow, hands up in the air. Come out nice and slow. Alright? Turn around for me.
Turn around, Luke.
Come on, work with us. Man. Can you turn around for me? Can you turn around, face away from me? Can you turn around?
111.
Turn around and face away from us. Turn around and face away from us. What's going on today? You alright? You medical?
We have an ambulance on standby to check you out, but you got to come with us.
Oh. Turn around and walk backwards towards us. Can you kneel down where you're at? Can you kneel down where you're at? Kneel down for me.
Look, we're only going to ask nicely so many times.
Come on. Okay, get down on your knees. Let's talk about this and figure things out. You gotta work with us though, alright? We're gonna get you guys taken care of. Alright, just turn around and go down onto your knees. Okay, turn around and get down onto your knees. Is there a reason you're not doing that? Here to talk to you. What's going on? Turn around for me. You want to walk out here and talk some more? Yeah, come on more. Turn around for me. Or go down onto your knees, one way or the other. Either works. Do you have any weapons on you or anything? Can you talk to me? Are you hurt at all? Do you need medical attention? Huh. Kneel down for me, buddy. Can you kneel down so we can talk? We can help you and your out. Good, turn around.
216, you copy? Clermont.
Come on. We need to get to your help you out. Can you kneel down for me?
Luke.
Can you go down on your knees? Luke, kneel down. Don't get agitated, alright? We're here to help you. Keep your hands up and go down onto your knees.
Show me the one.
Don't stretch. Come on.
Luke, last chance. Down on your knees now.
Luke, go down onto your knees.
Down!
Holy shit! Okay. .221, I'm with the units at the house. 215 is back with the...
Go ahead and check on.
Copy 221, most of the residents, 250, staying at Green Court.
Sorry. No security here from that.
Kill me. Kill me.
I'm not going to kill you.
Get any unit, set up crime scene.
The residents? Yes.
That's why we're putting another emergency, please also reach out to you, don't call ISD.
Here, I got...
Copy.
Sheriff's office, anyone sign, make yourself known!
You got crime scene, Luke?
You got two scenes. I heard you another scene set up where the other party is.